Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to set up a crypto wallet on crypto.com. First, download the crypto.com app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and begin the account creation process. You'll need to register with your email and set a strong password. Remember to complete the identity verification steps, which typically involve providing a valid ID and a quick selfie. This ensures your account is secure and compliant. Now that your account is set up, let's create your wallet. Inside the crypto.com app, find and tap on the wallet section. You'll then see an option to create new wallet. Follow the prompts, carefully reviewing and agreeing to the terms and conditions. For enhanced security, make sure to set up a strong passcode or enable biometric authentication, like fingerprint or Face ID, to protect your digital assets. This next step is crucial for the security of your funds. You will be given a 12-word recovery phrase. It's vital to write this down precisely in the exact order on a physical piece of paper. Store this phrase in a very safe, offline location, like a locked safe. Never, under any circumstances, share this recovery phrase with anyone, as it grants full access to your wallet. With your wallet created and secured, you're ready to add funds. You can easily link a bank account or a debit card directly within the crypto.com app. Once linked, you can transfer funds to purchase your desired cryptocurrencies. The app offers a wide selection of digital assets, allowing you to explore and invest in various options. Enjoy your new crypto journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.